here today, and we're going to do an experiment with like volcanoes with my stepbrother Kobey. We're going to be doing volcano. So let's go. Okay, so this is baking soda and we're going to get started. So this is the volcano, this is the background. Just going to put that down. So I'm going to pour some in.
Is that much? Tell me when to stop.
Just stop them.
Oh!
It's not coming out, guys.
It is.
Why is it?
Slowly, gradually.
Look, it's making salt.
It's not still baking soda.
It's making baking soda come out. When can I get something to say? When can I do something?
You can both. Just go.
We're going to put the red dye in now.
Okay.
Well then, Alicia, you put it down.
So how many drops do we do?
Just, I'll tell you when. Just.
Don't think we do it with that in.
Yeah, I'll be it.
My turn. You do a couple.
Right, that's it.
Do we mix it up?
Are you ready now? No.
Okay, stand by.
Right.
Okay, guys, so we're going to put the vinegar in now. It's very, very intense because if you don't put the top in instead, okay, we're going to get started.
Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, bottle.
What's happening?
Put more in.
Put more vinegar.
Hey guys, we're just going to get some normal vinegar, then the volcano's going to explode.
It didn't work with the white vinegar, so we're going to do it with the normal vinegar. And Jamie's going to do it because I don't think we did it right.
Crazy. Crazy.
So guys, now we're going to start it in 3, 2, 1, now.
That was a lot of baking soda, guys. We can just about finish with the baking soda.
No.
Oh no.
You ready? Oh no.
We're gonna put the vinegar in now, guys.
There you go.
Oh my gosh!
Move bottle.
Can I see
Can I say
coming down?
So that didn't really work out, guys.
We're going to do it next week.
So subscribe and comment down below. Bye!